Welcome everybody. It's time. It's time to play more Fable. Happy Monday afternoon. Let's see who's here. Hello Coco. No forever box. I will never support that. Hello Ichiban Goose. Thank you for lurk. Coco, congrats on your first. Hi Wind. Welcome in. How are you guys all doing today? Also, I don't know why my background and everything it looks like darker than usual, which is really strange. Including like the light that's hitting my face. I don't know. It's like a different tone, like coloring than it normally is. Which I mean, honestly, it's because of my skin color. It like all looks like it's the same color, kind of. Which I'm not a fan of, but I also like that I don't look like super washed out. Thank you guys for giving each other shout outs. Yes, if you guys don't know Coco or Wind, my mods and friends, please go check them out if you have the time. I would appreciate it if you would. It's that loud. I literally checked it. That was dumb. Sorry, guys. Hopefully it's better now. But yes, please check out Coco and Wind, my friends and mods, blah. How are all of you? I am doing good. I had a really busy day at work, and tomorrow's also gonna be really crazy. But I'm alright. I was very productive. Hello, ma'am. What can I do for you? You've been needy all day. She has been crazy. Very, very needy. Thank you for the bless you. You can hear me better now, right, Coco? Thank you for the pup alert. I turned down the desktop audio and it looks like, yeah, okay. It's at the range I wanted it to be at. But it wasn't for some reason. Ah, puppy, yeah, that was Lily, you know, she's my needy girl. They got fed before stream, they went out, so they should be good. Yeah, how are you guys doing? How are you, Wind? How are you, Coco? I got some chai. And I'm very excited to play Fable. Fable is like my favorite. Also, guys, we're one follower away from 300. That's crazy. I think it's pretty safe to say I'll hit 300 before the end of the year, and that's really, really exciting because I know most of you know, but I started every time Coco. Don't you know what? Why are you coming on my stream, but you don't want to hear me talk? Always interrupting me. Gosh, thank you for the 20 biddies in the vibe bag. I do love that song though, you know? So, whatever. Yeah, I've been working today. And I'm ready to play some Fable. There's some exciting stuff that's coming up in the game. Some really cool quests. I can't remember exactly what quests we have that are that's like straight up like the next quest that we're doing. So, I don't know for sure if we're breaking into a bandit camp, but that's a really cool quest if we do get to it. I do appreciate your support, Coco, and that's not sarcasm. Thank you for the can't stop me and the 10 biddies. I appreciate it. I'm also waiting for you guys to tell me how your days were. Tell me. Tell me. Now. Let's see. I will have anything to announce. I will say when we do the 300 followers celebration, oh, I since we're almost at 300, I wanted to give you guys some insight into what I was planning a little bit. I gave a little bit of insight into Discord, and I like made it to where you guys can give a any suggestions that you might have. Um, so if you want to be part of that, then head over into the Discord. Because if you want to suggest anything in particular that you want me to include during the viewer's choice stream, then you can do that over there in the game discussion tab. One second, my mother tried to FaceTime me. Make sure whether she needs me or not. Like, really. Thank you, Coco, for putting Discord in chat. Oh, right. I was also trying to pull up the list that I have. Because I have like a list of ideas. But I wanted to give you guys a heads up because thank you, Coco, for my bag and 20 videos. We need to listen to that whole song. Anyways, maybe that'll be my, if I remember, I'll play it at the end of stream today. But anyways, so I was going to have one or two like things that affect my channel for you guys to vote on whenever I do the 300 follower viewers choice stream. Reminds me, Gemini's raid. What do you mean? But the first one, I don't remember. Let me reread, so I don't remember if I want to tell you exactly what they are. So one thing I'll ask you guys, I'll give you guys a choice on during the viewers choice stream is a like small permanent, you know, semi-permanent, not like forever, but for a good amount of time, permanent addition to my stream. Oh, okay, she's asking me something. 1 second, my mother needs me. What is this? That's her raid music? I don't remember that because I was ending stream too, so I didn't actually have this sound up on it, you know what I mean? Ah, shoot. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. She got it. She got it. Had to help my mother. Okay. And but I see, yeah, I didn't realize that was Gem's raid music because like I said, I was didn't have it all the way up. All the sound up, so I didn't really get to listen to it since I was ending stream. But yeah, cool. When I see your voice mod. I swear I pinned that. What? So I will get that. How many minutes is that? 5 minutes. Okay. And you said random. Got it. But anyways, the other thing that I will be letting you guys vote on, or you know, have a choice on in the viewers' choice stream is one of my, I'll just say it, my 600 follower goal celebrate. Like, what do you want me to do for it? You guys will be able to suggest things and vote on it. So that's That's a pretty good one if you so. Oh, hold on, ads are playing. All right. I'll choose a voice changer. Mm. Is that working? Let me listen. No, it's not. Um, Testing. Oh, that's why it's going into. All right. Is it working now? Are you hearing my voice mod? And thank you, Coco, for the Cinderella Negabion and the 5 kitties. How is it? How are you doing? It's a little low, but I can hear you. I can turn up the sound more. Does my you can hear my voice changer though? Ads are done? Oh, cool. Thanks for letting me know. Wave. Wave. How are you doing? How are you doing, Zell? Thank you, Coco, for giving Zell a shout out as well. Zell and I will be continuing our collab on Thursday this week at the same time. Find out more about this crazy story we're in now. Almost done with the video. Too much of a perfectionist. That's all right. 1 second. I want to hear what you guys are hearing. Almost done. Okay. Okay. I heard. Yeah, when I was trying to make sure I was hearing it well. Yeah, you guys can hear it well. I am going to start the table and get into it. Also, thank you, Coco, for the My Bag in 20 minutes. Again, do you like that song or something? I remember it. To use it at the end. So loud. Let me know if it's like if the game is incredibly loud to you guys as well, or if it's just me. Please show the game. Okay, there it is. Coco waiting for Allie to finally appreciate Coco without saying it with sarcasm. I say it perfectly normal. You just think I sound sarcastic all the time. I don't know what you want. You know what? Actually, the tone of my the coloring of my camera really matches the whole Fable coloring as well. So we'll go with it, even though I'm confused why it looks as yellow as it does. Like, look how yellow that looks. It doesn't help that like the camera or the game light is on me. Okay, so we're continuing our game. I've only played a total of 5.5 hours in this. I forgot that if I click off it. Alright. Voice changer is done. BRB, alright, Wind. I don't care for the song, just showing support. Gotcha. Okay. Continuing. We're in Barrow Fields. You guys remember in the last time I played this, I fought Balverines in Darkwood, and it was terrifying. Actually, it was like really easy because I've done it a million times. Oh no, we went this way last time, right? Oh. Pause! Thank you very much, Coco, for the 100 biddies and the Chica Chica, as always. Ooh, that was a good Chica Chica. I showed you guys, last time the Creepy Lady Grey house, right? Hello! Hi, Raiders! Oh, hello! Welcome in! Oh, gosh. Thank you, Eleni Belaney. Is that how did I say that right? Thank you so much for the raid. Oh my gosh, guys. And also thank you for helping me reach my 300 follower goal. What the heck? One second, I didn't realize I didn't move my alerts. Oh gosh. What is over my, why is, oh, that's a shout out thing. Little Mouse 92, thank you for the follow. Hi, Brian. Hi, Elaine. Oh, there. I figured it out. Okay. Hello, Elaine. Thank you so much for the raid. Hello, Little Mouse. Thank you, Raiders, so much. Follow goal. Yes, I really appreciate it, guys. Welcome in. How is the stream? I'm doing well, Lenny. I really hope I'm saying that well. I'm doing really well. We're just started back on Fable. I literally just got into the game, and was trying to figure out where I left off. How are you? What games were you playing? Starfield? Oh, okay. Are you far into that game yet? I hope you're enjoying it. I've heard, or I have some friends that have really enjoyed the game so far. And hello, Brian. How are you? How are you, Little Mouse, as well? Thank you guys so much for rating in and the follows. I appreciate it a lot. Wrong. Okay, I'm like catching up on the messages. Thank you, Coco, for the 70 biddies as well. Just take the rest. I have like 30 hours in it. Oh wow. How many hours does it take to finish it on average? I know it's I'm pretty sure from what it looked like, it's like one of those games where you can sink like hundreds of hours into it if you really want to. I don't know. Gotcha. That's a good amount of time, though. Well, welcome in. I hope you guys enjoy the stream. My name is Alex, by the way, or you can call me Allie. And I play a lot of variety. I play a lot of horror, but I do play a lot of variety as well. I am a variety streamer. And I hope you guys enjoy the stream. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out what exactly is going on in this game. I'm a big fan of looting everything, which makes things a little slow. Me too. And I've tried to figure out how to not do that on stream because I do the same thing. Alright. And lore. It depends on the game. But, for most games, yes. I play Genshin, and that's a no, because there's too much. Far too much. So yeah, but I do like lore. I love lore in this game. But I've also played it many times since I was little, so. I have the sick child. Okay, finding the mushrooms. Meeting that guy's daughter. I'm not doing that. The hidden treasure that I can't do. Book, fish, chapel of school. Not the Hob Cave. Alright. We're gonna have to go to Rose Cottage. Oh, nope. But first, I'm going to go to the guild. The guild. I'm doing that in Baldur's Gate 3 right now. It's ridiculous. The lore, I imagine it is. No quest cards available. Alright, so what I have is what I got. Can I don't have much experience right now. Reading every book of lore I can get and looting every useless item and note. Lord, did someone say lore? Yes, Wind. We did indeed. Okay, what do you have?
You must find the bandit camp.
I know where the bandit camp is. Is that what I'm doing right now? That's not I don't have a quest card for finding the bandit camp.
Can I interest you in something?
No, you cannot. Also, I forgot if I changed my hero name. Did I? Congrats on the 300. Yes, thank you, Coco. And I really appreciate all of you guys who have followed me and supported me in any ways. And that means we have a viewer's choice stream coming up. Like I said, there will be some really cool things that you guys will have the choice of. Of course, there'll be games like in-game choices, like maps or anything else. Any multiplayer games that I play that day will be open lobby, so it'll be partly a community day. And I'll also have a semi-permanent choice for you guys for my stream. And what was the other thing? I can't remember anything. What was the other one? I literally just talked about this. Oh, and you guys will get to give suggestions and vote on my 600 follower goal. Like what that goal will be, what you want me to do for it. If the answer is seek medical help for allergies, then I agree. Alright.
How may I help you today?
You can help me by telling me what I'm doing, dude. Oh, that's right. I was trying to see if I Saber. Okay, so I did change my hero name from Chicken Chaser. Yeah, no. Me getting back into figuring out what... Oh! It is an option. Okay, guys. Do I want to do the Hob Cave first? I honestly hate that quest. Or do we want to go to the bandit camp? I'm honestly... Oof. The bandit camp one is so fun. Coco, thank you for the 245 biddies. What the heck are you doing? Alright. Thank you. Maramana dani. Like I said. This is like finding the bandit Cirrus is like the main following the main storyline, but all these side quests aren't, or the Hob Cave is still like a main side quest that you do at some point. So that's why it's silver. The bronze ones are like ones that don't really matter. The silver ones are not main quest, but like world quest kind of level. And the gold ones, as you can see, that is main story quest. I feel like we should do the Hob Cave. Oh, nope, wrong thing. Want me to stop? You can do whatever you want. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I can't see. You guys remember last time when I was fighting Hobbs with a stick? Well, guess what? Now I have a cleaver. Ah, fun times. How do I use... Okay, I figured it out. I was trying to remind myself how to use, magic. Sadly. Sadly, I had to remind myself. Okay. So, on the map, you can see if I go that way, then I'm going towards the main quest, and if I go this way, then I'm going towards the not main quest. Speak to the grandmother at Rose Cottage in Greatwood. That's what we're doing. Thank you, Wendy, for the lurk. Appreciate it. Have a good lurks. A good lurk. Okay. Wait, why can't... Oh, okay. I can roll.
James, is that you?
No.
Oh, James is my grand...
How loud is this game?
Is the only relative I have
Okay,
left.
looks fine.
Such a sweet, helpful boy. I don't know how I'd manage without him. I knew this would happen. He's gone back to those caves. I just know. He got quite a scare with the things he saw down there last time, I can tell you. But he did bring back some gold. Oh, and he found something else while he was there. I don't know what it's for, but it might be useful. Here,
Hexagon key. Thank you, ma'am.
please find him. I don't know what I would do if anything happened to him.
Closes the door in my face. Okay. Wait, where's the Hob Cave? Where do I go for that? Greatwood Colors. Oh, Greatwood Caves. Ah, that's why it's still, now it's overlapping with the gold main quest icon. Where are all the Hobbs? Oh, nope, that's towards Darkwood. I'm trying to go this way. Alright, what does it say? Abandon hope all ye who enter here. This guy didn't even make it in the cave. Those are probably leftovers.
Help!
I'm sorry, did you say something? Oh, how did you hit me? Stop it! Ah! Why can't I hit you while you're down? I can't see because you guys are all in the way. What? Why did that hit?
You've achieved an excellent combat multiplier.
Ooh.
Thanks, mate. It was rather embarrassing getting caught by those obs. Me
Oh.
and the lads were searching the caves for treasure. Legends say it's full of the stuff. Well protected, too. They caught us and stuck us in cages. Been taking us away one by one ever since. I don't know what they did to the rest, but I heard screams that'd chill your blood. But hey, less people, bigger share, right? So, what do you say we go looking together?
Go search for treasure with the bandit. I feel like I've always said no to this, but if I say yes, then he fights along with me, right? That seems useful. And then if I just kill him at the end, that's
Can't
fine.
we go faster? These caves are filled with obs.
We'll just do that. Ah! I need to kill this one. Nice. Annoying one's dead. It's just a cluster. What? Oh. Are you kidding me? I used the resurrection file. Already. I hate hobs.
It's bloody thing's got us. Come on from there. Must have been building something.
That sure was useful. I should have started with that, guys. Magically. I did, and it worked out a lot better. Oh, I think I'm going backwards. Yeah.
Oh, that stench.
I don't think this guy helped me at all.
Eating for days.
Like, at all, literally.
Hero, your will energy is
Move! Move! on, my flourish. Yeah, you want to get one of them?
Stupid Silky. Look at that. I'll bet there's some treasure in there.
That guy did nothing to help. Cool. Oh wait, there's a health potion. Sick. That blows up. Alright. Back out. Let's go. Nope, wrong way again.
Watch out. Those nasty buggers love to set up ambushes. Just a bit further in.
I'm just not gonna fight them.
Hero, your will energy is low. What the?
Kill the magic ones because they're annoying. Oh, there's another one. Yeah.
This is more like it. Let's chop up steps. The gold is ours.
Why is there still one?
I've nowhere to put it, so you can carry the gold for now. I bet we can find some more around here.
500. Sick. Can't wait to kill this guy at the end. Because I will. He's a bandit. It's whatever.
Don't forget some of that's mine.
Zell, here's my morally gray side. Flame augmentation and more money. You think I'm giving this guy any money? Unless he gives me a really good reason to at the end. Like he's... turns out to be like a nice, chill guy.
Don't think we want to go down there. That must be where they took my mates. School knows what's waiting for us there. Come on! We've got the treasure!
I'm in front of you, bruh. This guy might actually die when he comes down this way. I don't care if he does, though. And here we are. Ah. I hate these things.
What do you want? You wish to take the child? I will not give him up. The sacrifice must proceed. Provide an alternative human, and I may release him.
I offer. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Go then.
Get freaking wrecked.
I don't want to die. I didn't want to do it. She made me.
Ah, get out of that clump.
She made me.
Hero, your will energy is low. What the?
No, I don't want to fight the hogs. Alright, I don't have an option.
Hero, your will energy is low. What the?
Ah, where'd she go? Sorry. No. Alright, game mechanics are killing me. They're failing me right now. It's like incredibly difficult to hit the fairy. Oh, I got it! Yes! Die, scum! Cool. Shazam. Can I be on the receiving end of that magic? No. Little boy, I need you to shut up. Your mom is not here. Gotta collect money and I need you to hush. Nothing else in here? Alright. Why is this kid screaming? I hope he learns not to go in the freaking caves by himself again. I just realized I was not hitting the button this entire time. I forgot the button to sprint.
Did you see that?
Ah! No! Get your sword out! Wait, why are there so many? Why is this kid screaming?
She didn't stand a chance against you, though.
Anyways. Come on, child. I was like, am I moving the right way? I still forgot. Okay.
We have to get out of this place.
Okay, so let's go. Swear if that guy's like... Why is my sword not out? I might accidentally kill this guy. I might accidentally kill him.
Your health is critical. Hero, your wool energy is low. What's that?
Why are you guys? Why are there so many?
Hero, your wool energy is low. What's that?
Stop hitting me! loud right now, I think. I'm pretty sure the game's pretty loud over my voice. Okay. Good God, that never ended. Whisper, thank you so much for the follow. I really appreciate it. And we've hit our 300 goal for the second time. Oh, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I really do. How's it going? Welcome in. I was just killing Hobbs.
I'll tell you that now.
Trying to save this crying child. Along with this bandit that I saved. Sounds like Feng Min when she's injured. Which one? Him? The child? What's your what? Forzel. She's lying, guys. Don't let her fool you. What am I lying about? You calling me a liar? Let's see. Let's get out of these caves. There's probably gonna be more freaking Hobbs when I get out.
Here's where we split up. Hand over my share of the gold, and I'll be on my way. 300 should do it. You did get me out after all.
Me making fun of you saying the game is louder than you. Oh. She likes to go all the time. She's a liar. A liar. I'm glad you you corrected yourself, but you did it incorrectly, Coco. My gosh, it's a good thing I gave you that spelling test the other day. I'm not gonna hand over the gold. Wait, what if I just beat him with my fists? Wouldn't that be funny? Hey! Hey, thank you. Hope your day has been amazing, friend. It has been. Oh, he's out cold. Wait, we can just kill him. Cool. Guys, I thought I would get bad points, like evil points for killing him, but he's a bandit, so I got good points. Oh my gosh. Anyways, Coco, can you give Heya a shout out? I hope you're doing well too, Heya. Coco can't spell, went to public school. So did I!
Follow me.
Anyway, huh. Who just said that?
I
Oh,
thought I'd never breathe fresh air again.
that is not your voice. You were just crying. Sounding like a little brat. You said, what are you? Why does he have an adult voice? That was creepy. Hey, thank you for giving Heya a shout out. Of course, Heya!
The cottage is through here.
So, can't complain about a decent day. I'm glad you can't complain at least. It's Monday. I had a really busy day at work.
It's just through here.
So I'm sure everybody else that works like a Monday, Friday
Wait,
schedule.
you're not going to leave me
is
with
the
her,
same.
are you? You think the nymph was bad. My granny is worse. Whose idea did you think it was to go into those caves in the first place? Well, I'm not standing for it much longer. First chance I get, I'm out of here. I'll have to pick up a few things first, though. And I suppose you want your reward.
Darn right.
Don't tell her what I said, though. Come on.
I don't care if you run away from home, but I'm getting my reward first. I'm getting paid for that.
We made it. Go and see if Granny's there.
She's right there, dude.
Thank you for returning my grandson, Hero. James, come here and give your granny a hug.
Oh, look, we got our trophy. It's a hobhead. We got almost 7,000 gold, a bunch of experience, and renown as well. That's nice. Oh, I can break it.
Hey, what's going on? Why are you? I demand you stop right now.
I will
Hey,
beat you
I have
up, lady.
chores for you. Why? I demand you stop right now.
I just stole
I have
from
chores
her
for you.
because honestly,
running
she put
away?
me through too much.
James,
Oh,
speaking.
that kid literally ran away immediately after she gave me my reward. I appreciate it, honestly. Coco, I can't believe you called me a liar and you failed to spell it right twice. Oh, okay. Now we go back to the Hero Guild and we see if we can buy some good stuff with our experience, our XP points. And then we go to the bandit camp. I'm very excited for that quest. That is a really cute emote, Zell. Is that yours, Haya? If I click off. No, it's not. I've never. I didn't think I had seen it before. It's so cute. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I'd really like to improve my health level because it sucks. Now you teasing Coco, first lion, don't appreciate, now making fun. Uh-huh. Right. One of the first things you told me when you started watching my channel is that you wanted me to roast you. So I don't believe you. The balloon is my friend Jack. It's my favorite one. It's really cute. It's like it's two little ghosts. He's forming a heart. Like that's such a smart idea, honestly. I want to be faster. Oh, for this next quest, we want to have our guile up. We want to be sneaky if we can. All right, multi-strike. Slow time, level 3 is expensive. We'll wait on that. I also want to do my toughness or physique. Which one is it? Toughness is natural armor. Physique is force to strength. Is basically upping your attack level. Oh, I have plenty to upgrade everything. Nice. Coco has been following 6 months, 23 days, and 18 hours. Nice. Ooh. And you're only 46% cursed. I'm 82% cursed. How about that? You're not even haunted. I'm cursed and haunted. Coco, can you give me some, what are these pixels doing? Can you get me some holy water? Alright. In this case, since I have this left over here, I'm going to level up one more thing. Force push. Force push is really nice when you're in a cluster, like those freaking hobs. And I might just save the rest. No, because you asked. Okay, I'll stay cursed. That's fine. I appreciate your help. Oh, so you did give me the holy water. Thanks. Oh, I have just barely not enough. Oh, isn't this interesting that you can undo level ups? Isn't that strange? Ha, force push. Yes, I have the force, Coco. Isn't that cool? That's so sick. Anyways, we've leveled up. I have a good weapon. Oh, wait. How much money do I have? Can I get some better... Can I possibly get some better armor before we continue? It's not like a huge deal to get better armor, but it would be nice, I think.
I hope your visit is, well, alright.
Oh. Okay, I guess we can sleep some. May the force be with you. Thanks, Coco. We're gonna sleep a little bit next to the crazy lady that talks about... Or the crazy lady that's on mushrooms.
The sky is really pretty today.
Where did the roof go? We just got a little bit of sleep, our health regened. Hi, crazy lady. Now let's go see if everybody's setting up shop. Yeah, old boy here's already got his shop open.
I think we can do a special offer for you, sir. There are more bandits.
What am I even using right now? Weapon-wise. A stick! No. Obsidian cleaver, which is pretty good. And a U crossbow. Wait, why am I using a U crossbow? God damn it! I keep having the wrong thing. equipped. Oh, crossbow. Oh, and I have stuff to sell as well. If he gives me a good price, which I doubt it.
For you, sir.
Does he have anything better? What was the sarcasm lately? Does not warrant an answer. Steel axe. Okay, so see, I talked about this last time, but this is the base price for this for the item in parentheses, and this is what he's offering me to sell it to him for. Now I am getting full profit because I found it. I didn't buy it, so. But still, he's not gonna give me fair prices, and I know I can find people that will.
There are more bandits around these
That's the
days.
good thing about finding
What he's doing.
traders. I can't talk. Oh, you know where we should go? We should go to Oakvale. I need to go buy stuff in Oakvale. Yeah. Coco be pushing a bunch of buttons, seeing what works. Oh. Okay. I see what you're doing. Oh, guys, guess what I'm having for dinner tonight? I'm having, well, guess. I did say guess. Guess what I'm having for dinner tonight. If you say food, you're banned. Ah, you banned Coco!
Can I be of assistance?
I'm pleased
Dang.
to serve you.
I own 25 of these? He's giving me a good price, though. I'm gonna buy... That's 800 if I buy 10. I won't do that. Okay, now I have 30. I own 18 of these. I'll own 2. He's giving me half price on these. I own 6 resurrection files. Fine, edibles. I am not. What on earth? I need to buy some food as well. Because I ate a bunch when I was fighting the people in the cave. This food's really cheap. Holy smokes. Ooh, buy all of the tofu. Yeah, because tofu gives you good points. But, no, I am having, pork belly tonight. Very excited.
Yesterday, I saw
put it in a
Tom Wade,
marinade.
the leader of the bandits.
And, it's in it right now. And then we will cook it somewhere. I don't know how exactly I want to cook it yet.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
He broke it! Get out of my way now.
Can I interest you in something?
It's food, it's edible. You're not wrong, but...
I think we can do a special
not what
offer
we call
for you,
it.
sir.
Armor rating. Wait, is that not but oh, that's what I already have on me right now, isn't it?
There are more bandits.
I have... Why am I not wearing it? Oh, no, I am? Okay. No, I don't know. Okay, I have a chainmail helmet. That's why. And the rest is leather, I believe. Leather. He said it's not wrong, so it's food. It's edible. Anyways, I'm having pork belly. I have oh yeah. Wonder if I can sell these for
Yeah, he's a fine man. You gotta respect him in the end. I
good
think we can do a
price.
special offer
Sell
for you,
things
sir.
that I don't need. I can't sell the assassin boots? Notice how it says padded boots for silent movement. However, I don't have a quietness stat, that's the word. So I don't really believe those are useful.
There are more bandits around these days.
Uh-oh.
I think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
I meant to buy bright chainmail because that also gives me good points, but I forgot. A pirate's hat. Dave's hat. Why is there like a Minecraft looking hat in this? A man named Dave once wandered around Albion with boxes covering his body. Oh, no! Covering his body. One day he was down by Oakville docks and was mistaken for a package and was shipped off to the northern wastes, never to be heard of again. Alright. Holy smokes, that's expensive. That's a lot more. A lot more armor rating. This is pretty good. He's giving me a good price. I want the matching pants. It feels like I'm spending too much money, but it's armor, so whatever. Why does he not want to give me a good price?
There are more bandits around
Dang.
these days.
Coco? No. Not allowed. Alright. Look at my fancy shirt. It's not gonna match. All my clothes aren't gonna match. It doesn't look too bad though. It is kind of an ugly color. It's like kind of yellow looking.
He looks like a nice enough hero.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh. What other places? Wait, does he sell weapons too? Oh, he does! I didn't notice that. Whoops. Sorry, let me talk to you a 10th time.
To suit you.
Wait, you also sell something? Oh, I bet I know what it is. Let's see. I have an obsidian cleaver. Do you have what is next? Master? Nope, you do not. Ebony. I have oak.
There are more bandits around these days.
I need to go find some traders. No, Coco, you can't do that.
Oh, now there's a nice person.
Ready to help?
Hero!
Why is someone calling me?
The tavern? Marvelous, isn't it?
Hello.
That was expensive.
I've heard a lot about
I also forgot. I think I talked to this guy 15th time.
You're sure to find
Because I
something
forgot to
suit
check
you.
this area, this tab of what he sells. Oh, piercing augmentation. All right. So does that mean I can? Oh wait, did I look at this?
There are more
All right.
bandits around these days.
Anyways, let's go to find some traders. Also, Coco, you can't go do 2 forever sleep because we gotta play DBD on Sunday. All right. We got plans. There's nobody here I can buy from? What the hell am I doing here? There's traders here. I know there are. Somewhere. I didn't mean to eat. You interrupted me! Oh, it only took 2 hits. Nice. Ah! Whoa! Guys, I panicked. can I not hit him? Haha, missed me. Look at that cool spin he just did. Wait, what did I just hit? Okay. I just went into like stealth mode. I didn't.
Hero, your will energy is low. What's that?
I need to change that so I don't keep using that. I keep accidentally hitting that. Let's try out my new crossbow. Oh. Done. Alright, took one hit.
Hey there! What a hero. Saber.
Which one of you is gonna buy something from me? Forever Sleep or DBD?
I'm pleased to
DBD.
serve you.
You gotta play DBD. Guys, I wonder if we'll buy a house this time around. That'd be really fun. You only buy these things. You have oh, well. I'm gonna find more of them.
Yesterday, I saw
seems a
Twin
nice enough
Blade, the leader of the bandits.
He saw Twin Blade, the leader of the bandits. I didn't mean to use my power. Need to find more bandits. Or not bandits. God, traitors. Gotta find more traders to see if I can sell things for a good price. You just want to disappear. Like you get Thanos snapped. What? Oh. Oh. He's just asleep. Dang it. Get closer to me.
Something's up.
Thank God he's finally done. Oh my God. Why did that take so long? Oh my God, we got a rock troll, guys. Or an earth troll.
I'm pleased to serve you.
No, I need a barber.
Yesterday, I saw Twin Blade, the leader of the bandits.
Guys, we have
What a hero. Saber.
Don't go over there, idiot. Up. Up, don't hit them. Dude. Look what you made me have to do because you kept getting hit. I think he died anyways. He died. Okay, cool. Oh, stop. What's nice about these is you get a really nice, a stone that you can sell.
Master, what a pleasant surprise.
I didn't kill your friends. I'm sorry. It was not me. Do you sell something different?
I'm pleased to serve you.
Ooh, yes, you do. So let's see, what can I sell you? Can I sell you anything? No, you're useless to me. Dang it, dude. Literally does not let me sell anything.
Yesterday, I saw Twin Blade, the leader of the bandits. I'm pleased to serve you.
Okay, cool.
Yesterday, I saw Twin
I'm done.
Blade, the leader of the bandits.
We're continuing with our quests, because these people are being useless. I will sell if and when I find a good deal. Thank you for letting me keep my weapons. Unlike Bowerstone. Alright, guys. Oh, I should sleep somewhere. To regain my health before I go and do this. They're gonna get mad at me.
All right then, you asked for this.
I have a fine on me right now because I slept in a bed that wasn't mine. Oops. I guess I could have just gone to Barrowfields. Not answering your question, Coco.
Oh,
What a
now
hero.
there's a
Honestly,
nice person to be
wonderful.
seeing. Hero!
Whoa.
The bandits are getting more cocky.
Which one am I able to sleep on without people getting mad at me? I think it's the one up here. Is that
Have
right?
a good day.
No. Dang it. One of these I'm allowed to sleep on, right? Where is a hero to sleep? Huh?
Oh, he looks like a nice enough hero.
Actually, I have a plan. Why? Because Coco, I already know the joke. Oh crap, I just remembered. Well, if you want to call it a joke. Alright. Now we go. We're all healed up. We're all rested up. It's the morning. And now we can continue. Let's mess with this guy. Wait, why does it look like he's carrying a box of Dos Equis or something like that? You see the X's on them? Heh, I messed him up. It's not a joke. Yes, it is. It has to be because you are very useful. Let's see. Alright. I'm about to have to be sneaky. About to have to be sneaky, and you know what that means, right, Coco?
You'll need to sneak past those bandits to reach their camp.
This is gonna take
If
a
any
few
of them
tries.
see you, they'll raise the alarm and lock the gate. And if that happens, you must stay hidden for a short time before the gates reopen.
Oh, this is gonna suck. Caps lock to switch in and out of sneak mode. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is save. Oh, okay. The other ones are like auto saves. Luckily, I can see where they're at with the red dots on the map. I kind of need to know how they move.
intruders! Shut the gate!
Coco, thank you for playing that. Yeah. Where are you going, dude? I just got really confused. Anyways, also there's a timer you see. That is the timer for when they send people back in. So if I just go as far as I can before they send more people in, then we'll be good. 5 eternities later. What me? I don't remember what I was saying that you were
Where the hell's the
responding to.
guards? Get more men out there!
Yeah, I failed real hard just then. You sneaking? Oh yeah, it's real difficult. Thank God you can kill them, and then they'll just send out more guards. This quest is really fun though. After you get past this part, you don't have to sneak anymore. Thank God. Oh. He should see me there. Thank you for the scary steps, gosh. It's because I'm in sneak mode, that's why he can't sense me. He's like a T-Rex, I'm standing completely still. He's far enough away. Alright. That's so stupid. Oh my gosh. I remember that taking so long for me when I was younger.
You heard what happened to Stern?
No. What did the idiot do this time?
He only lost his bloody cap in a
God,
raid.
that was so dumb.
Was a week before he could get back into the camp.
Yeah. You can't get in unless you're in full gear these days.
If you ask me, old Twin Blade's getting a bit jumpy. Don't know what's got into him.
Oh.
Hey!
Oh, hi.
Who's that?
I said, who? Me? Oh, no, I did not mean to... Well, Coco, they probably didn't even get a public school, education. After all, these are not... What would you call these times? Oh! These are early times where not everybody, or it was definitely not everybody getting educations, right? Stop moving. Okay. Then, they did remember you gave a public school. Oh, cool. I can't read right now. I don't know why I was aiming at that guy up there and not this guy that was right in front of me, but like, whatever. Oh, frick. A book publicly. You've lost me. Oh, so if you guys didn't get it, I have to find all the pieces of armor all for the bandit uniform because they're really cute and they got a uniform, so that I match. Otherwise, they won't let me into the camp. So I'm going in undercover. Oh, he was not ready for that. Dang it. That sucks. What do you mean something's up? I'm right here! These guys suck. Bandit shirt, we got boots, we got a shirt. Also, isn't it nice? I can just, like, go to sleep if I want. I wish I had better angles to, like, shoot at them. Did you see that? He moved! I hate this. I'm trying to get some bow practice in. Oh. That was good. That was cool, guys. This is a good spot to do some shooting. Oh no, they're moving. Just kidding, it's not. This sucks. I hate this so much. Why is that guy running? Oh. Whoa, you're still alive. Why do they keep running away? Like, where are they going? You'd think that they were going to alert other bandits, but they're not, because they just run away and then nothing happens. Ooh, Ages of Skill. That gives me skill points, just for drinking a potion. Alright, sir, yep, you don't see me. Yes! Headshot. That's what I was trying to do. Look at his head. It's on the ground. Ooh. Dang it. Took out the one guy that somehow knew I was here. That guy's head is gone.
There he is.
These guys are the worst lookouts known to man. Worst lookouts ever. That guy still didn't know. They still weren't sure. Like, is someone attacking? Okay. Apparently I really should have played on a harder level because these guys are just pathetic. Okay, am I missing a chest? No. There's one. I'll just open it while they're right there. That's fine. I only need one more thing. Fudge. I match your bow and send you, make you headless. I can't talk. That guy's gone. What's happening? Where are you aiming? Oh, frick. At me. You missed. Whoa! That was really dumb. Just kidding. What I mean to say is I did such a good job. I did such a good job. Wow. Alright. Last piece of the outfit. Alright. Let's see. We have all 5 pieces, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on. Where? Look. One of us. One of us. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure these guys will still attack me. Goodbye to your head. Whoa! Alright. It's so loud to use that, to use your freaking lightning power. I hate it. Alright, it'd be really fun if I could behead one of these leader guys. These guys with the, like, wing-looking things on the back. That was the worst shot ever. I can't go that far? I can't shoot that far? That's not even that far. I missed really badly.
Stay
Alright. Well, that guy's head's gone.
You're now good enough to use the thanks expression. Your health is low. Do you have any potions or food?
I do. I forgot to take them.
You're now renowned enough to use the sexy hero pose expression.
Guys, I can use the sexy hero pose.
You have reached
expression.
well-known status.
Guys, this is just an extra chest. No, my dad had the worst headshot ever. I don't understand that joke. Okay.
What? Oh, you're not one of them, are you? My eyesight's not what it used to be.
Well, it's rock, so...
One was a gallant knight. His plate armor was so shiny. Probably what did my eyes in.
I remember now.
Then there was an evil mage. Wore the darkest magical robes you ever saw. The last was a rogue. A bandit. Bit like the chaps here. Where is the gallant knight I await?
Yeah, basically, this door wants you to play dress up. That's what he wants from you. He wants you to wear... It's very sus. Yeah. He wants you to put on those 3 outfits. This one I already put on is... Of course, I have the bandit outfit. But he also wants me to wear the plated armor and, dark mage robes. Hi, sir. I just wanted to make sure that was activated.
Hello, mate. Nice bandit gear.
Thanks.
This here is Twin Blades Camp. Once you're in for good. So, feel free to get changed when you're inside.
Nice.
Another one coming in, Joe. Open the gates.
That's good, because that means I can put proper, proper armor on. That's the word. Guess I'll wait till I'm actually through the gates, maybe. I don't think it really matters. I got nervous. What is happening? I don't know why it's doing that. That's crazily annoying, though. That is not all I owe. I'm in pain right now. Why does it keep scrolling on me? Oh. Like, you see how it's just automatically scrolling? Fine. Only nom. I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, why am I in fighting stance? Alright. Can I save or something? Keyboard or controller? I'm on keyboard. What did I press to make me do this? L. What did I do? No, the controller is not set up to be wireless. I've only been plugging it in, so we should be good on that. Yeah. It's not even on. I did just check just in case. Hitting Control Shift or Control Alt. Nope. Not working, but thanks. Thanks. I will just save and reload the game. Because I can't even put on my normal armor with doing that. So it's a bit of a pain. So let me reload real quick, guys. That's the quickest way to fix it, right? So loud. Show on the screen again, please. Hello, Assassin. Welcome in and thank you for the jump scare. Hi, Kage. Hi. Welcome in.
You want in? You better talk
Okay.
to me.
Okay. Cool. This is a fine place to
Hello,
load
mate.
up.
Nice bandit gear. This here one
Yeah,
ship,
yeah, yeah.
so another one.
Oh, that's fine. That works. How you guys doing? How are you, Assassin? How are you, Kage? Okay. Nothing breaking. Congrats on 300. Thank you, Kage. Yep, very exciting. That means I have to prepare the stream to celebrate it. So it'll be after this week, obviously. Because I already have my plans for this week. No outfit. Am I wearing everything? Okay, yeah. How's your day going? Hi, fellow bandits in much less cool outfits.
I'll be lucky to live through this. What a...
I forgot they had traders here. It's going good. Haven't done much. How about yours? I did work. You know, I had work and it was busy but fine. Nothing bad.
Bandits are getting more
And then I started this. Honestly, I mean that's about all I've done.
I
Right?
think we can do a
Since I
special
started
offer
this,
for you, sir.
since I started stream after work, that's all I can do. Dang it! Give me better prices. They're not offering me
Trader
good
said the
prices
bandits
either,
only
so
buy your
I guess I'll just hold on to them for now.
I think we can
Just
do a special
enjoying
offer
new
for you,
PC.
sir.
That's right. That's good. Oh wait, can I sell the shoes here? Yes, just take them. Oh, thank you, Coco, for giving Assassin a shout out. Wasp hat. Whoa.
The traders say the bandits are led by a mystical CRS.
We just broke into a bandit camp, by the way, guys. Can I sleep in one of these? There's another bodyguard you can hire. Oh, chest. The best whatever? Oh, we can dig here. We got 13 silver keys now. Oh, that's right. I have some new equipment. Ages of skill will increase my skill experience, and I use immediately because they're not something that you use at a specific time. And why do I have to do this again? Best call out ever. I have another one. After this one, I mean. Dang it. Oh, I have two of them? I gotta do this one more time. but it's giving me experience points for literally doing nothing, so whatever, it's fine. Very nice. I don't remember this log being here. How am I getting bad points for breaking these? I'm at a bandit camp, man. I should be allowed to do whatever I want. Who? Oh my god.
I've heard you might be interested in procuring a camp pass. Well, I can get you one, but it'll cost you 1,000 gold.
Pretty sure I can also kill this guy and just get it from him.
Ah, well, if you...
So why should I give money to a bandit? It's a game. I can do whatever I want. I'll show you guys what happens when I try to go up here, though. I'm trying to get to the center of the camp to try to find the blind Cirrus that Twinblade, who's the bandit king, has in his
You've got to have
hold.
a pass to get in here. Hey, you're not going anywhere without a bandit's residence pass. There's a bloke in the tavern's got one. Practically lives there.
Oh, that's right. I can win it off of the guy at the tavern. But I think it's, like, really annoying to do that.
Someone to watch your back?
I am gonna sleep. Because I need my health. Okay.
Need someone to watch your back?
Oh my god, look at them just sleeping in the fetal position. Got 3 monitors and it's nice. Yes, very nice.
So, you've heard I've got a spare pass, have you?
Yes.
Well, tell you what, you win a game of Guess the Edition, and it's yours.
I think this is a memory game.
Of course, no bandit I have ever met has had the intelligence to win before. It'll be fun watching you fail.
Alrighty. Can I play? Oh. Oh, yeah, I remember this. Oh, I didn't. Hob sword and Balverine. Grave Balverine, Hob shoe. Book tree, mushroom wasp boot. Mushroom, mushroom. I'm gonna call those rocks mushroom. Mushroom, mushroom, fish, hob, boot, book. Oh, sword. Last round. Last round. Oh. Skull potion, wasp book, Balverine, sword, boot. What? I have to finish it within a certain amount of time. Okay, I'm just gonna go based off of, like, my sight memory.
I'll just be over here. He's looking at us. I wish I was safe back at camp.
No wasting time here. There was a tree. Dang, guys, I'm failing. Skullfish, apple, potion tree. Skull, sword, potion tree, wasp. Skull, sword, potion tree, wasp. Skull, Balverine. Apple, Balverine, brave, wasp, mushroom, sword. Okay. Potion, Balverine, fish, wasp, apple, mushroom, root. I knew it was gonna be the tree again. I knew the tree was gonna come up. Okay.
You're the first bandit I've ever seen with the brains to beat my game. In fact, are you sure you're even a bandit?
I will kill you.
Ah, well,
Don't
never
question.
mind. I said you would win my pass if you beat me.
Yay! Okay, so now we can get into the camp.
Oh no!
There is a chicken! Oh, oh!
Just minding my own business.
Look how far I kicked that chicken. Alright, anyways, let's go into the main part of the camp.
If you don't have a pass, looks like a valid pass to me. And you go. Let him through!
I love how they know that, I got that pass, probably not by earning it. I literally just won it off of a guy. Like, shouldn't they do a better job of security-wise? Nothing in there? Am I still chilling at this level of the camp? Looks like I am. Oh, there's a chest. The bandit camp is really big. It's crazy. Ooh, nice. Nice find. I think I'm done. Ooh, I made a little over a dozen AIR pieces for the story so far. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Glad you're done though. Glad it's finished. Hope it turned out how you wanted it to, Zell. And I guess with that, I'll remind everybody that Zell and I are doing a collab, and we started it last week. We're continuing it this Thursday, and we're playing a choose your own adventure game, which is where we're basically playing a character in a novel, and we're a detective, and we're doing really cool, fun detective stuff. It was a lot of fun, and we're streaming it on my channel, but Zell is editing the recordings and jazzing it up and adding visuals and stuff. And so I think you guys should definitely head over to Zell's YouTube channel.
We just have to do something about it.
And check it out and watch them back, or check them out if you haven't watched them at all. Because I want to see what you've done with them. Because it looks like Zell will be uploading them soon. Uploading the first one soon.
Talk to Roderick. He speaks for all of us.
What do I need to talk to Roderick for? Maybe I need to go find out what exactly why I need to talk to some guy named Roderick. I'm sure they'll tell me why when I get up here. Oh, there's a fighting ring. Probably tonight if I have time, just rendering now. Gotcha. Yeah. Sometimes that can be a pain.
Clear off. The boss told me to look after this area. And that includes not letting anyone through this door, apart from the hostages providing the entertainment. And that's what I'm gonna do. Got it?
Oh, wait, is that Roderick?
Look, unless you...
Oh, I guess not. I think if I talk to Roderick, if I pay him, he will make a distraction so I can get in through those gates. But instead, what I'm gonna do...
to look at Twin Blades Entertainment. Ain't they just lovely?
Instead...
Gonna be a fun party, alright.
I can just do another distraction on my own that doesn't cost money.
So, ladies, looking
Let us
forward
out
to
of here.
Twinblade's entertainment?
I think if I kill this guy, then I get this key, and I can let them out, and then they will be a distraction. Unfortunately, I don't think they probably get away successfully. Let me find Roderick, though, so you guys can at least hear from him.
Spare me! No. Like I said, it's...
I don't know which one of you is Roderick, bro.
I notice you've been contemplating the gates into Twinblade's quarters. Perhaps we could cause a diversion to draw out the reserve guards. The gate would be open for you then. Of course, such a risky endeavor would require adequate remuneration.
No.
It's a very...
Yeah, I'm not doing that. But see, yeah. If I pay, then they will, move out of my way. If I pay, then they will cause a distraction for me. But instead, I'm just gonna kill this guy who's, holding the hostages.
The
Get
guard
key
has
from
the
him.
key. Get it off him.
Shut up! I missed. Now I gotta wait for him to come back up here because I don't want to alert everybody else.
Please help us.
I didn't realize he wouldn't like come to a stop.
Help us.
I really need to learn how to use my block more.
Please help us.
Alright.
Thank you
What is
so
she doing?
much.
See that?
I thought we were going to die, but we have to leave quickly before the guards notice.
Good luck. You're my distraction, so they will notice.
Twinblade's hostages have escaped! Grab them before they get away!
Yeah, homegirls, I think they noticed. You better run fast. You're literally running through a bandit camp. I don't think you got a lot of luck on your side. But anyways, that's neither here nor there.
Well
I'm leaving.
done. The gate is open. You can go to Twinblade's area now.
Twinblade's tent. Woo, guys. It's about to go down.
Stand back, lads! Twinblade wants a word with this little hero!
I'm getting nervous because this fight makes me nervous. I remember replaying it though, like when I last played this game in 2019, and it being like not that bad, but it makes me nervous. He's the king of the bandits,
She
guys.
said a guild puppet would come, and here you are. My blades have been dying to meet.
Fighting makes me nervous, full of lies.
They haven't been fed for days. You don't look like much of a meal, though.
Who are you talking to?
Draw your blade, guild puppet. Let's see what
I
you're made
really
of.
love this part of the game. Alright, sir. Let's game, shall we? Also, if you guys may or may not see it, but if I get too close to the people on the side, they'll hit me with their swords.
Let's see.
You guys can see his health on this side, right? Why am I? Dang it. He's already half health.
Hero, your will energy is low. What's that?
Ah! Woo! Oh, shoot. Coco, you want to be the one fighting me? Because that's the only end of the blade you're allowed to be at.
Finish it quick then. I'd do the same for you.
There you are.
Guys,
What's
this is
wrong? Don't you recognize your own sister?
That's my sister,
Her
guys.
past once again before her, Teresa's memories returned in a blaze of fire. Oakvale was burning. She watched in silence as the bandits tortured her mother, then turned to her with questions of the missing boy. She answered them only with a stare, and so their leader sliced out her eyes. The raiders took the boy's mother and left Teresa alone in the forest. There she crawled for 3 days, blind and desolate, until she was found by bandits, Twinblade and his men. She began a new life of servitude among their clan. But the bandit king sensed her exceptional strength and power of will, and listened as she whispered dark prophetic truths in her sleep.
She's so cool.
Those who could never accept this small, blind girl standing by their master's side did not last long. When they attacked, she killed them without mercy and without emotion.
She's so cool.
For this was her place in the world now.
Look at that proud dad right there.
I've seen so many things. So much killing. So much dying. I've seen you, little brother. In a ring of sand and blood. An arena full of secrets.
Her story's cooler
And
than
I've
ours,
seen the choice
for
you'll
sure.
have to make one day. Between the darkness and the light.
Teresa.
I'm sorry, Twinblade.
Hey.
Your path is alone now. All our paths are. But before I leave, brother,
I got a
I have
snowman.
a present for you. For all the birthdays I've missed. A power that runs in our family.
Thanks,
He
sister.
finds you when you're sleeping, and when the daylight fades.
Thank you for the Pupperweight, Coco.
What are you waiting for? Finish it, or leave me alone. I'm dead anyway. I'm no one's king anymore. You've won.
So, like I said, Teresa, our sister Teresa, turns out she's not dead. She was not killed in the raid. That took our parents as well. We thought she did, right? We thought she got killed along with them. But instead, the bandits that were hired for that raid, just gouged her eyes out and, like, left her alone in the woods. And Twinblade found her, and she became his right-hand man. Even though she's, like, blind, she became a crazy good fighter. And she has magical powers, and, like, she can use the power of will, aka like, you know, magic, and she's Cirrus. She sees prophecies and everything, as you just saw. So like, yeah, she's cooler than we will ever be in like this. Our character that we're playing, she's way cooler than him. Honestly, her story's way better. She's also really cool note. I can't remember for sure about the third one. I feel like, but she comes back in Fable 2, and I'm pretty sure at least she's mentioned in Fable 3, because I guess with all the magic and everything that she's so adept in, she ends up getting to live a long life.
Try to get your combat multiplied.
Or she kind of becomes some kind of other worldly being, not really a human anymore at some point. It's really, really cool. Also, I'm not killing Twinblade because you have the option to not kill him, and I'm not going to, because I think it's more fun to let him live. Oh, right, and let me catch up. You said that's... Coco, I saw that you agreed to fight me. My lightsaber versus your metal stick. How dare you call it that? How dare you call my obsidian cleaver that? After watching Jujutsu Kaisen, I find any blindfolded person cool. Yeah, I know, right? That's true, too. So anyways, I could kill him here, but I won't. I won't kill him. Because I'm that cool, you know? I'm cool. That's my trophy, the bandit seal, and all the money and everything. And now I can do whatever I want here.
We don't let just anyone have a...
That was a very impressive victory, hero.
Thanks.
But Maze has more news for you at the guild. I suggest you return here at once.
Alright. Hi, Lila.
You've received a new quest card.
What are you doing? Can I help you?
Check the guild for more quests.
Kill him now, do it. No. I think he's a really cool character. So I will not. Wait, what is that green dot? Oh no, that's the fighting group. I think the only time I've ever killed Twinblade after that fight was when I was playing my Evo playthrough. Do it. It's too late. It's too late. I can't attempt to kill him anymore. He won't be there.
May I be what? I'm pleased to serve you. Ah, yes. Maze is in his quarters at the guild. He'd like to see you there.
Why is the traitor telling me that?
For you, sir.
That Maze is waiting for me at the guild. That's weird.
Here, you want to see Maze in the guild? What can I do you for? You won't be disappointed, sir.
Why are you guys telling me that? Coco, thank you for the hydrate. Yeah, I have had water here. I've been drinking my chai, but I have had water here. And the stretch, thank you. Oh. No, that's good. Yeah. Oh, my arms. Yeah. This is a good stretch, actually, right now. Everybody else make sure to hydrate and stretch. Oh, thank you for that. I needed that. I have some... Oh, wait. I have a lot of experience. It'll disappear quickly, though. I haven't read all of what you just put in chat, Coco. I just read the first part, but I already feel like it's gonna be a joke. I used to work at Office Depot in the printing section. A customer asked me if I had printer paper to spare. Couldn't afford a whole pack. I knew I had 2 in the printer. I told the customer, sorry, I don't give 2 sheets. Alright, I acknowledge your joke. I knew it was gonna be a joke. Gosh. I want to... Well, it's gonna take a lot of my experience, but slow time is like the best. And always increase health. And now I have like nothing left. Are you proud of yourself, Coco, for that joke? Trader Oh, this isn't. Ooh, our next quest option from the guild is Trader Massacre or Trader Rescue. You choose one or the other, and I can assure you, Whisper will take the one that I don't choose, right? So we will be against each other. So, Trader Massacre is kill all the guards and traders in Barrowfields. Trader Rescue is rescue all 3 of the traders held captive in the bandit camp. Oh wait, those are opposites, but they don't happen in the same area, so actually maybe... Rescue all 3 traders held captive in the bandit camp. Well, that's completely different. Anyways. Obviously, I'm playing the hero, the good hero, so I am taking the good quest. If you change ladder to climb another, does that mean it's climate change?
You're sure to find something to suit you.
I am entertaining your jokes. Pre-owned Thunder Helmet. This guy gives the worst prices.
Maze has shut himself in his quarters.
It's rude.
Something odd about it.
Okay, we need to go see Maze. We found our sister. Hi, Maze. I have things to report.
So, you really found your sister? I'd never have imagined her living among bandits. You've really come a long way these last few years, haven't you? People are starting to ask when they'll see you in the arena, out in Witchwood. But before you go wandering again, I've left a quest card of my own. A favor, if you will. An old friend of mine has gone missing. Calls himself the Archaeologist.
Yeah.
He may have stumbled onto something big, perhaps big enough to put his life in danger. There's a rumor that he may be hiding somewhere in Witchwood. That is, if he isn't dead already. You can use a Cullis Gate to get there. I only hope it isn't too late.
Guys, we can go look at Witchwood.
You've received a new quest card.
I already got the quest card. Okay, I'm really excited about this because, map. So over here is like the main, I don't know what you would call it, but like the main continent of Albion, right? Can I zoom out or something? Oh, there. Over here is Witchwood. So we get to go to a different, like, a different island, a different, you know? That's awesome. I love Witchwood. It's my favorite. First of all, it's called Witchwood, which is sick. Witchwood are you going to? Okay, I like that one. I'm pretty sure I already got the quest that they were talking about, right? Unless there's another one. There probably is another one. No. Oh, okay. Ah, yeah.
And we're now on our way to the guild library.
Oh, wait, I want to talk to the guild master real quick. He'll just tell me what I'm doing, but still.
Meet the archaeologist.
Oh, literally, okay. That was a... Tell me nothing. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. Oh, no, I'm not trying to go to Witchwood right now. Okay. Yes. they remastered this game in what, 2014 or something. They need to do it again because it's struggling.
Oh, thank Avo you're here, sir. The situation is bad, sir, real bad. The bandits are demanding protection money from the Traders' Union and took 3 hostages to show they mean business. The union's refusing to pay up, even though today is the last day. They called me because I owed them a favour, but, well, I just got out of Guard College last week and I only
Guard
got
College?
a C- in hostage recovery.
C- in hostage recovery? What is he talking about?
I'll tell you where they are and leave you to it. Let me see. Oh, yes, now there's...
Why did they send you
there's
then?
one's down the hill and there's 2 more on the other side of them big gates. All clear? Right. I'm going to make a tactical withdrawal before they see me.
Tactical withdrawal? He's running away. My character's like, ah, alright, whatever. Okay. Still haven't made up your mind on which wood you want to go to. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna rescue some traders and kill some bandits. Oh, he lost his head. I was surprised I was able to kill it. I forgot you could kick their heads around. Dang it, I didn't get his head off.
Wait a
Alright, sick. Look, you can kick... You see the head that I beheaded off that guy? I can't do it again? Oh man, it just disappeared. That's why. Guess I'll have to behead someone else. Come this way so they don't see me. Alright. Why is there a guard over there? Yes! I beheaded him. I beheaded him too. I'm trying to kick this head. Why am I bothering beheading people if I can't do that? I like how this guy will still let me hire him in the middle of this.
You're from the guild! Rescued at last!
Don't worry about the guard. Why are you over there?
Those bandits are a vicious bunch.
Wait, he's just
You
chilling.
have to get me out.
I thought it was a guard because of how he's dressed. It's the bodyguard that you can hire.
Wait.
Oh. So you saw me, right? Oh wait, the rest of them are over here. What were you saying? I like how he's just like, I'll warm up in the meantime.
Sorry, lads.
Apparently I'm too strong for these guys, because what the hell?
Need someone to watch your back?
Follow. Follow. I didn't. Okay. And I gotta protect these freaking traitors, which is really annoying.
Wait.
The only scary part is if he gets
Follow.
too far away. That's not good. Need someone to stab your back. Yeah, that's what he said, right? Aw, man, didn't kill him.
You're bowering me. Stop being such a baby.
Cujo? Oh, what? Oh, there's another guy behind me. Didn't know that. Thank you for giving Cujo a shout out. How you doing? Whack. Alley whack, to be honest. What you mean? The heck, Cujo? Oh shoot! I did not mean to do that.
Stop being such a...
Why is that guy just standing there and not fighting?
I'd stay down if I were you.
He just needed one more hit, that's why he was staying. Let me get some will experience.
Hero, your will energy is low. What's that?
Yeah, how be the legendary Cujo, as Coco put it. How it be? Oh, you were last playing Lethal Company. How do you like that game?
Ah, my savior! You have come to rescue me, haven't you?
Yeah.
Ah, excellent. It's just that sometimes you guild types like to chop our heads off instead. Anyway, let's go.
I have killed a traitor before. Maybe two. Wait, can I trade with you guys?
Which
No.
one isn't a place to linger in?
Okay. I was trying to see what was in those barrels without blowing myself up. Nice. Dang it, it missed.
See him?
Ooh. Oh. Can I get up my... Okay. Anyways.
Yeah, that's jolly good. Now, are you letting me out of here now, or what? I suppose I should
How dare
thank
he?
you. Took your precious time. You any idea how long I've been waiting to be rescued?
Little
We
damsel
can't
in
stand
distress.
here all day talking, though. We got to leave now.
Well, I'm thinking about killing you now. Although if I did that, I imagine I would fail. Anyways, just for funsies, I'm gonna kill all of them. Goodbye to your head. Ah, hell. Oh, nope, I need... Oh, one of them got waxed.
No!
Can I give you... Nope. You will get more XP when you get good. I am. I don't have to hold in my laugh. There's no laugh to hold in. Dang it, I might fail just because that guy took a lot of damage. I thought I was hitting him for a minute, but I'm not. I wasn't. I should have had them wait in a different area. Wish I could heal them.
I still can't believe they're gone. Been trying.
Wish I could heal you, dude. Huh?
Well, you look at that.
Oh, okay. I was like,
Feels good to be free again.
how am I
can
supposed
tell
to
you
end the
that.
quest then? Other than
Thanks.
leaving.
Asher, you're a splendid fella. I'll be sure to give you a discount on my wares if I ever see you again.
Where am I gonna see you at? Barrow Fields? Barrow Fields, however you say it. Well, I killed everybody in the bandit camp now. Let's see. That was a really easy quest, if I do say so myself. Let's go see if I can find the peoples.
Have a nice visit. What a hero. Saber.
Excited to be seeing you.
Of course you are, Saber.
Oh,
Where's- Didn't I not kill you? No, I just stole from you. I guess I won't get in trouble for sleeping here.
I'm
Shopkeeper?
pleased to serve you.
You don't sell anything useful. Well, dang.
Witchwood isn't a place to linger in.
I wonder... I guess I can't find those traders. That's unfortunate. Well, whatever. Instead, guys, to finish off the stream, we are going to head over to Witchwood, which I might accidentally get pulled into something. But we're gonna go to Witchwood so you guys can see it because it's so freaking cool. We're not gonna be able to see like all of it, but we're gonna go there. Okay, quest start. Find the archaeologist. The archaeologist is protected by a magical door. Find this door. Easy enough, right?
Rumor has it that somewhere in Witchwood there is a sword that only a true hero can acquire.
Oh, that's right. They got a sword in the stone. Resurrection
There is a
fire.
temple in Witchwood that is supposed to give spiritual strength. Be warned, some gods can be fickle.
Ooh. Can I fish? I love Witchwood, even though it's the land of... Well, you'll see. Nice. What did I get? Silver key? Silver key? Moonfish. Alright. If you eat a moonfish, it will turn into night. Also, it just started raining as soon as I got in front of this thing. So, Witchwood just has all the vibes. It's like, you know, if you've seen the movie Brave, it's like that kind of magical, Scottish. Is this? Yeah, it's Scotland, right? In Brave, but like foresty vibes, like with these cool stones everywhere, and you see so much like history as you're just like walking around. And there's monsters. Really cool monsters to fight. It's not at all a safe place to live. What is cool? Rock troll! Our first rock troll! We've only fought earth trolls so far. He's a big guy. Okay. Just literally do this. Isn't it cool, Doggy? Woo! Oh, frick, crack! I was too late. Ooh! Ah, shoot, I was just on the edge of it. It's so cool. He's so dumb. What? Whoops. He's almost dead. There he goes. Alrighty. I got a sapphire. Ooh, potions. Guild of Zeros. We'll have to check out the books and stuff a little more. Show you guys a little bit of the lore later. Or, you know, a different stream, not today. There's no chest here. Alright. Witchwood stones. The fun has not even begun, everybody. With Witchwood. Got him. Pro Fisher in this game. Now I got a silver key up. Man, I almost have 15. Ooh, that thunder, man. Thunder and lightning. great hammer. We're not gonna use that because I don't like heavy weapons, but it's fine. So these are called the Witchwood Stones. They're real neat. True. I see you well, even though you're sneaking in. Hello. Oh, chainmail gauntlets. Yes. Welcome in. How are you? Let's see. Wait, where's my... I thought there were... Ah. That's fine. We can call this a good stopping place. Here at the stones. It might make me like, I might have to make sure I pay attention when I load next time. Let me get you a shout out, True. And unfortunately you joined right when I was finding a stopping point. We just made it into this wonderful magical world called Witchwood, and we will have to continue this story later. This is we just got to this new like island area. This is where we've been on the mainland kind of, and we just got to this new place which is like my favorite. Sorry, Coco. You still do an important job, don't worry. But guys, please check out True if you have not, if you don't know True. You play a lot of Mario games and like Pokemon. A lot of Nintendo stuff. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm just gonna save again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure. Let's see, last checkpoint was... Oh, also at the stones. So we're good. Okay. Cool. Whew. I love this game so much, guys. It's so fun, and I love visiting them every time. There's no way I'm not gonna play the other ones, the second and third ones, as long as I can get a good... As long as I can capture them well on a capture card from my Xbox, because they're only on Xbox. They did not redo the second and third Fable for PC. Very sad. Told Ellie Coco is useless, she's proving it. No, I just took it upon myself because I was done. I was done with the game, so I had the free time. Let's see. What am I thinking now? Nothing. Okay. I was making sure there was nothing I needed to remember. Well, I do need to say that we did hit our goal of 300 followers, which, you know, that number could always fluctuate before we do the 300 follower celebration stream, but nonetheless we hit it, so like we're gonna do it. It won't be this week, it will be the following week, which would be like the first week, not the first week of December technically, because that December starts this week. Sometime next week, because I have my stream schedule already up for this week, obviously. So we will be doing that next week, and if you want to know more about that, you can check out Discord, like Coco put in the chat. I have in the game discussion tab a list of games that I will consider playing and give you guys the option of, you know, what to play. Thank you for the congratulations, Coco. Appreciate it. And I said this earlier, any games that I play, if they're multiplayer, when I do the Viewer's Choice stream, they are open lobby for you guys. So you guys can come and join whatever game. So if you want to be there to, you know, vote on a game that you want to play along with me and anyone else in the community, then, you know, be there or be square. That was the only thing I could think of, honestly. But yeah, and if you have any suggestions for what you want to see, you can also go ahead and put that in the game discussion tab in the Discord. But yeah, I always post my stream schedule first on the Discord. I do also post it on Twitter, which the link is also up for that. There'll be a lot of polls and stuff, and some permanent changes I'll ask you guys to vote on during the Viewer's Choice stream. Very excited. When I say Viewer's Choice, it sounds like I'm talking about an award show. I want to see Ali entertain Coco's jokes once in a while. Well, we can, for Viewer's Choice, you can suggest that, and I'll put it to a vote. Should I entertain Coco's jokes and fake laugh at them, or no? And lastly, I do have YouTube where I post VODs, highlights, edited videos. I make playlists of all my game playthroughs. So if you want to see any other games that I have done full playthroughs of, which you can find a list of that in my About section on my Twitch channel, then you can go check them out there. They'll be up there. I edited my playthrough of True Fear Forsaken Souls, which is a hidden object game that I played during October, Spooktober. I finally edited it, and I'm going to post it tonight. But yeah, I enjoy putting videos up there for you guys to check out. While I was gone on vacation, I actually posted some videos that were recordings and not like live streamed for while I was on vacation. Playing Mineko's Night Market, which is a really cute game, and you guys should check it out if you would like. But yeah, it is the end of stream. I need to figure out where we're going. But I really, really appreciate you guys getting me to 300 followers. I'm super psyched that I can say that, you know, that's a great number to hit in my first year of streaming. If you didn't know, mine and my sister's first year of streaming anniversary, like 1 year, is New Year's Day. So January 1st of 2024 is our anniversary of being on Twitch. So hitting 300 honestly is more than we thought would happen. It's crazy once it actually started happening. I remember when I got my first follower, and we were like, it was like within the first week of streaming, right? And I honestly thought that it would take longer. I thought it took longer than that because I don't tell a bunch of people that I know IRL that I'm streaming. So, not that I care if they watch, but like, so, first follower, not counting like my sister and Duck and Goose that I play with a lot. Not counting them. Let's see. Anyways, I really want to thank you guys. I appreciate all the support you guys have given me over the past 10 months, almost 11 months. Siri almost talked to me. Now, let me see if... Oh. Look, I just messaged you if you'll check that out for me. I think I already know the answer. I gotta find someone. 1 second, guys. 1 second. There's not many people live right now. It's like almost no one that I follow. I see. Also, guys, when we do raid out, you'll see that we have the raid messages up in chat. Exclamation point raid is for anybody that follows, and exclamation point raid sub is for anybody that is subscribed to the channel. I appreciate if you guys stick around for the raid and send the love and support over to whoever we raid. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. And I know who we're going to raid. Thank you, Coco. We are going to go raid and just have a chill day. Chill hangout sesh with Sleepy. If you guys don't know Sleepy, Sleepy is a VTuber. Plays a lot of horror-ish games, or adjacent. You can see his VTuber model there. Right now he's just looks like he's chilling. He was playing some Angels of Death or something like that. What? Anyways, we're gonna go over there and hang out with Sleepy. And I appreciate you guys watching. Yes, Sleepy. Thank you for being here, Kage. We're gonna go over there, hang out. Oh my gosh, why is this shadow like paused with this creepy guy's face? Anyways, I'll see you guys Wednesday for Phasmo with my sister Elle and our friends Duck and Goose. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your night. I'll see you over on Sleepy's channel. Jane.
I'm just gonna unpin it. It's bothering me so much. Actually, oh my god, another brain. Dreams. You know, it's a dream and their dream becomes so creepy. And they don't even heal the pen messages because I got a snag. Welcome back, Star. You're just the only Eve Prue. Prue is so great. Also, Ali, welcome in. Thanks for the raid. Hello. How was your stream, Ali? I hope it was fun. Hi, Kamikage. Hi, Coco. Hi, Ali. Welcome in, everybody. You're streaming Fable Anniversary? What's that? Hi, Ichiban. Hey, Coco. Ippy. What's up, man? Hi, how's it going? It's going well. It's going well, thank you. We streaming Angels of Death. It's a horror RPG maker game. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. We're actually ending soon though. We're about to read the story and then I'm actually about to end myself after that. Hi, Kamikage. Literally eating persimmons right now. What is persimmon? Am I bad for not knowing what that fruit is? Fable is an old Xbox RPG game? Oh, wait, I might have actually heard of it now that you said it's an Xbox game. Fable. Ooh, I think I recognize this. It's like really old. No worries. Happiness and support nonetheless. I appreciate it. Thank you. That's all they have on Steam. Maybe I'll have to check it out and buy it myself. You're just too American. They're an exotic fruit. Oh, I see, I see. You played them on multiple times. Let's go. You love Fable. I'm gonna have to add it to my wish list, I guess. What's on sale? Really cheap. You know nothing of Xbox. Yo, Colibri, welcome in. How you doing? What's up? Fable 3 is one when you play. I see. Think about rebuying the other two on Xbox? Okay. I just see lots of